So now let's see how we can apply the mosaic filter inside a Photopea. So in order to apply the mosaic filter, I'm going to go around onto the filter menu right here and then go to pixelate. And over here you can see that mosaic is an option. So once you go around over here onto the mosaic, you can go around and choose around the cell size of the pixels. You can increase out the cell size right here or decrease out the cell size right here just like this, and pixelate out the image as much as you want to make it low res. I can also go around over here. Let me just go around and type in 400 right here, and then it is much more larger than what the slider provides right here, just like this as well. And this is how you can apply the mosaic effect, as you can see right here. Apart from that, if you were to go around onto filter right here, then if you were to go around onto pixelate, then you can also utilize pointillize right here, just like this, which actually goes around and turns the cell size into points right here, just like this, like droplets of ink. So you can go around and change around the size of the cell size right here, and you get this particular effect as you apply this out as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize mosaic and pointillize effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.